sir.
Yeah, that shit sweet.
Got the old school 350. Yes, sir. It's clean.
Yeah, that was
Yes,
up,
sir.
bro. That's on pretty, bro. I like that.
Fighter.
Yeah.
Fighter. Look good, Pete. Keep this jank clean, man.
Try to. You gotta wash it.
There we
Burn
go.
shit all over it.
Hey, don't feel bad.
Hmm.
My shit the same way. My shit gangrene right now. And I got the old school pipes on that bitch. So,
Fly girl with this car.
What's up?
Get a fly girl for this car.
yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Original seats?
Yeah.
Peanut butter, right? Yeah.
Because it used to be champagne gold until it got painted red.
I know that joint is crazy.
Yeah.
350. Original.
See that? Yeah, like you can kind of see some of the gold like under here and shit.
Oh yeah, I see it.
Oh, yeah, go. How she sound, though?
Not bad.
Got that rumble.
Yeah, we'll start it up. I'm gonna have to replace my starter soon. It's a little weak, but
Oh, I feel. Oh, heat.
Yeah, they real crazy.
Yeah, that jank is crazy.
Crazy.
Original, man. Cause you don't see nothing original, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
You don't. Okay. Woo. Yeah, B. Let me get the inside of this thing right quick. Go. Y'all know about the old school, man. Everything original. Everything. 160.
what's up?
160 though. 160. Oh, what? Man, keep this thing clean, man. And he just go down in the back. Oh. Yeah, keep that nice, man. My boy Pete.